Hello, this is Tom. I'd like to tell you about Yard Sailor again. I got another good deal off there. M&M teddy bears. There's Mr. M&M. Hello, you guys out there in Wonderland. See? And there's Mrs. M&M. I got those little cute teddy bears off yardseller.com for $5. Can you believe that? $5. I saw those. I thought those were cute. I had to have them. They had my name all over them. So I got them. So check out yardseller.com. Check out Thomas C. West on yardseller.com. Yep, I have a yard sale on there and I'm doing pretty good. The first month, this is the first month on Yard Seller for me, and I made $40, 40 some dollars on there. I am happy. It's like going out and working. Just sitting here in front of the computer like I usually do and pushing a few buttons. What else can you do? So if you haven't joined Yard Seller yet, you should join yardseller.com. Get away from those other auction sites. Get away from eBay. Get away from those Amazon. Come to yardseller.com. Check out Thomas C. West on yardseller.com. Have a great day.